Hi, I am Basavaraj Thongatti from vasunivesh.com, and in this video I am going to share with you my views with respect to what happened uh, yesterday about Franklin Templeton India's closure of 6 debt funds. And as an investor, what are the action we have to take, what are the cautions we have to take, and what are the way forward in front of us. Let us first understand what happened with respect to these 6 funds. These 6 funds, fund manager used to follow the strategy that is called as managed credit strategy, or else credit risk strategy, where they used to invest high risky, high illiquid debt papers just to generate the higher returns to their investors. Many of us investors, even the advisor fraternity, fail to understand why these funds are generating the higher return. Everything was fantastic as long as the investors stayed there. However, because of the coronavirus issue, or else there are certain liquidity issue with respect to debt papers, many investors started to redeem their holding in these 6 funds. To certain extent, the fund manager of all these 6 funds managed this one very well, and to certain extent they were able to sell their holdings in the market. However, as the holdings are in illiquid and high risky product, no buyers for these papers. Because of that, these fund managers find it very hard to manage the high liquidity, high redemption pressure from the investors. To certain extent, even they manage the redemption pressure by borrowing the money from outside as per the CB regulation. However, as the issues turn to be bigger and bigger, they are unable to handle the high redemption pressure. Yesterday, they closed their 6 debt funds. Because of this, you are not allowed to invest in these funds, and even you are not allowed to withdraw the money from these 6 funds. Even your SIP, SWP, SIPs were also stopped with immediate effect. Now, as an investor, whether the fund manager has a rights to close the funds unilaterally or not. As per the CB regulation, mutual fund companies were not allowed to close the funds unilaterally. They have to call the meeting of the unit holders, and whatever the majority decision taken during that meeting will be the final decision. So as per my knowledge, as of now, Franklin Templeton India converted all these 6 funds into completely 100% segregated portfolio, so you are not allowed to invest or withdraw the money. So going forward, they will communicate with all the unit holders and the action taken as per the decision during those meetings. Now, as an investor, what I have to take? There are 2 things we have to take care here. If you are an investor of Franklin Templeton India mutual funds, and especially within this, if you are an investor of these 6 debt mutual funds, if you are an investor of these 6 debt mutual funds, then as you also know that there is no option in front of you than wait for what are the things happen in future. But be sure that you will not get the money what it was there on 23rd of April. The reason is that even if the fund manager tried to sell those high risky debt papers, it is hard to find the buyers. So obviously, if the fund manager tried to liquidate, he has to sell it at a discounted price. At the same time, if he waited till maturity, I am not sure whether he will get back the money from where he purchased, I mean the bond issuer, because of so many issues. So we are not sure when we will get the money, and we were not sure how much we will get back the money. No one knows about that one. Only thing in our control is we have to wait calmly. Now, with respect to investors who invested in other than these 6 debt funds of the Franklin Templeton, if you are comfortable with the holdings, then go ahead, no issues at all. However, if you find the portfolio is risky with respect to what you are looking for, then obviously you have to take a call and withdraw from those funds. At the same time, if you are an investor of Franklin Templeton's equity funds, then no need to panic, you can continue as per your strategy. Now coming back to the second aspect, if you are an investor of debt funds with respect to other debt mutual fund companies. I will tell you, try to analyze the risk involved in your debt funds, and if you are okay with that one, stick to those things. No need to panic. However, I will caution you that today it happened with Franklin, tomorrow it may happen with the fund where you are invested. So try to understand the risk involved in those funds by analyzing the debt papers, what the fund manager is holding, and if you are comfortable, go ahead. Otherwise, no need to go ahead. Just simply withdraw the money and stick to a typical product like a bank FD, RD, EPF, PPF, or Sukhanya Samruddhi Yojana account, or else overnight funds and liquid funds. Don't take the undue risk until and unless you know what you are taking. So finally, thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.